Hey everyone. So we are really loving this Ninja Foodi dual zone air fryer. That is our secret weapon for fast, easy, family friendly meals. This is not your average air fryer. It has two completely independent baskets so you can cook two different foods and in two different ways at the same time. There's no waiting for round two of the cooking process. It has the smart finish feature, so both foods can finish together even if the cook times are different and the temperatures are different. You can select match cook as well, so you can copy the settings if you're cooking two different things and they need to be at the same temperature in the same time. This offers 6-in-1 functionality, giving you options for air fry, roast, broil, bake, reheat, and even dehydrate. It can actually handle up to 4 pounds of wings or fries, and it has been perfect for our family get-togethers. Each basket has its own fan and rapid heater that gives you true dual zone cooking power. It's super easy to clean. Just take the little uh, basket out. It's dishwasher safe as well. We like to wash ours by hand, but it's dishwasher safe as well. Wash it in the sink if you want to. We really enjoy crispy results with fries, wings, and other foods. It keeps things moist while frying. It's super easy. We love it.